enough with the WHO. They're doing what they're doing. We know how they're funded. We know how they're controlled. We can see clearly what their agenda is. But what is the agenda of our government? What is the agenda of the opposition party in our government? What are they putting forward to Jamaican people? What are they putting forward to the world? Jamaica used to be a nation where you have some statesmen who can stand up on the world stage and explain and advocate and articulate on issues of international import as well as local importance, and be able to get the people of Jamaica behind them to say why we need to stand up for certain things and stand against certain things. We don't have that in Jamaica. So the UIC's position is this: we have to stand up against our own government and let them know that we're not going to be party to whatever treaty they may sign. So they may go ahead and sign a treaty to give away our sovereignty to unelected